In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM free all-in-one CRM software. If you are new to Zoho CRM, the first thing you want to do is make the system fit the way you work. That starts with customizing your modules and fields, so you only keep what you need and remove what you do not use. To begin, go to Setup. From there, look for the section called Customization, and then open Modules and Fields. This is the area where you can control how records are structured in Zoho CRM. Spend a moment thinking about what information is truly important for your contacts, deals, or any other part of your workflow. For example, if a certain field will never apply to your business, removing it can make the system cleaner and easier to complete. If a field name is confusing, renaming it can also help your team understand what to enter without extra training. Now, inside Modules and Fields, you will see the available modules and their related fields. Choose the module that you want to adjust, and then review the list of fields carefully. If you see fields that you do not need, remove them from the module. In some cases, Zoho may ask for confirmation, so it is a good idea to double-check your choice before you proceed. If the field is useful but the label does not match your process, you can rename your field instead. The goal here is to make the form feel natural to your team, so data entry is faster and more accurate. When you finish editing, save your changes and move on when you are ready. Next, you will set up your team members. This step matters because Zoho CRM is designed for collaboration, and you want the right people to have access from the start. Return to Setup, and then go to Users. From there, select New User to add additional accounts. Zoho lets you add up to 2 team members, so keep that limit in mind as you set things up. Create the user profile for each team member you want to include. Make sure the user details you enter align with how you want permissions to work. If your plan allows roles or access levels, choose the option that matches what responsibilities each person has. After you add the team members, take a moment to confirm that they appear in the users list. This quick check helps you avoid problems later when you start assigning leads or working with contacts. Once you see your team accounts set up correctly, you are ready for the next important part, importing your existing contacts. Now open the Contacts tab in Zoho CRM. Look for the Import option and then click Import. This is where you will upload your contact data, so you do not have to add everything manually. Before you upload, you need your contact spreadsheet already formatted. That means the columns in your spreadsheet should match the fields you expect in Zoho CRM. If your spreadsheet uses different headers or formats, Zoho will not map the data correctly. So confirm your spreadsheet is prepared and organized. With your formatted spreadsheet ready, upload it using the Import tool. After uploading, pay attention to how Zoho maps each column to the corresponding CRM field. If there is a mismatch, you may need to adjust the spreadsheet or remap fields so that names, emails, and other information go into the correct places. Once the mapping looks correct, complete the import. Then give it a quick scan by checking that a few imported contacts appear in the contacts list as expected. At this point, your CRM is set up with the fields you want, your team is added, and your contacts are imported. That combination gives you a solid starting point to begin tracking leads and organizing your pipeline in Zoho CRM free all-in-one CRM software. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.